For the deployment of the Logmanager virtual appliance on Microsoft Hyper-V, we begin by creating a new virtual machine. We'll name it Logmanager 4, for example. Hit Next and choose Generation 2. Next, assign memory according to our recommended sizing, then continue with Next. We now configure the network. After that, we select the installation package we previously downloaded. Hit Next, double-check the configuration, and click Finish. We won't start the virtual machine yet. We need to adjust a few more settings. First, we add an additional data disk for storage. This disk must be at least 20 gigabytes, or larger depending on your license. Choose Fixed Size, then click Next. Name the data disk, choose its location, and then specify the required size. Hit Next, and then Finish. The last configuration step is to disable Secure Boot, which can be done in the Security tab. Hit OK. And now we can start the virtual machine. Once it boots, we can log in. Use admin as both the username and the password. After deployment, we need to configure the IP address and routing. We are now in the console of our virtual machine. Let's set the IP address, subnet mask, and define VLAN. Next, we delete the old routing settings and then set the new routing information. Last, we can delete the old default IP. We can now open the Logmanager user interface in a web browser using the IP address we have just configured. The default username and password are admin and admin. Congratulations, you are now all set to start sending data into Logmanager.